impact of EIDL loans on forgiveness? Does it make it harder, easier, or are there any advantages there?
The only real impact that you would have is if you got the advance. If you got the advance on the EIDL loan, this was up to $10,000, just deposited into your bank one day. You got no documentation about it or an email or anything. If you got that, it does reduce your PPP forgiveness by that amount. So if you got the 10,000, it would the SBA will see it when they're funding the bank, and they will net out that advance. That is my only, that's my only thing that I see that the two interact whatsoever.
Got it. And let's close it out with your prediction for the future. Gosh, I wish we had a crystal ball. Do you think that blanket forgiveness will be passed under a certain loan amount? And do you think that there's any more stimulus coming down the pike?
The $100 million question, $100 trillion question, maybe. I think there would be another stimulus. I do. I think that blanket forgiveness is likely. But my feeling and thoughts are that it won't be under 150, that it might be under 50,000. But they have put out this S form, making it easier for borrowers to apply for forgiveness. So I don't know. I'm cautiously hopeful, but I don't know.
Well, we'll close.
Yeah, I would just say to that I am not having anybody bet on it.